So then how important is protecting your backyard? You're speaking about family like this. How important?
Incredibly important. Without taking action, we can't get results. Without results, what future does anyone have?
My name's Ben.
I'm Toby.
And we're from Bruny Island Seafarms. We're sustainably farming seaweed, mussels, scallops and oysters to help clean up the channel. So where we live down on Bruny Island, there is a lot of intensive aquaculture in the surrounding regions. There's currently about 2.3 million kilos of excess nitrogen going into the system each year, which is equivalent to double the population of Tasmania, all of their sewage going into our waterway. There's been health advisories not to go swimming. We've both got kids and young families. There's a real risk that a lot of those areas become uninhabitable for all species.
For me, it's all about protecting the future for my lovely young daughter and soon-to-be newborn. There's a lot of people who talk about change, and I've decided that it's time to start doing good and doing good for the future. The Taronga Accelerator Program has been amazing. The ground level of support they've provided us, clarity of vision they've helped us develop, has been second to none.
I didn't expect the camaraderie between all of the groups involved and feeding off each other's projects. We've been able to work with some of the other teams and collaborate to develop our idea further, which has been really fantastic. To win the LG Life's Good Award and get their support with this program would be an amazing opportunity. So as we are trying to get an initial pilot set up, the support and potential success through the Hatch Taronga program would enable us to get our first pilot fully up and running, and also our second site up and running as well.
We grow farms to regenerate the oceans. Support us to be the change that needs to happen.